Hey y'all, welcome back to another Squeaky Clean Life video. I am Sean if you're new, and today I'm doing a quick speed clean with me. You guys know I love setting my timer for 1 hour and getting my cleaning done, so that's what I'm going to do today. And I'm going to start out in my son's room. I really wanted to get both of the kids' rooms just tidied up, also clean my bedroom and the kitchen. So if you are ready for all of this motivation, don't forget to leave this video a like, subscribe if you're not already, and leave me a comment. Let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get right into the cleaning. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. Don't let me touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down. Can never bring me down. 'Cause I'm bulletproof. Yeah, I'm bulletproof. As you guys see, I have my little helper, Sydney. You guys, she loves to help me clean, and it's so sweet, and I just cherish this age because they're little sponges. They want to do what they see us doing, and I like to set a good example. Mama is always cleaning, so my little girl is always right beside me trying to clean something, and she does a really good job. And so in my son's room, we're just going to go ahead and vacuum the floor. We already picked up the toys. I need to just kind of make up his bed just a little bit, and then we can move on. I know you too well. Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. Don't let me touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down. Can never bring me down. Cause I'm bulletproof. Cause I'm bulletproof. Cause I'm bulletproof. Yeah, I'm bulletproof. Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. Don't let me touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down. Can never bring me down. 'Cause I'm moving right along to the master bedroom. Of course, my floor is a mess. My kids do come in here and play during the day. I don't know when my room became the hangout spot. Maybe when I made it look all cozy, and now the kids want to hang out in here all the time and play. And at the end of the day, I have to come in and take shoes, socks, toys, everything, and put it back where it belongs. So we're going to get that done. And then I'm going to quickly straighten up my room and we can move on. I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, baby, I have thick skin. Yeah, I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I knock you down like boom, 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 boom. I think you're messing with the wrong girl. I'll bring the thunder, haven't you heard? But honestly, I just wanna dance with my girls here tonight. No man by our sides. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer. I am so guilty of having so many bottles of water near my bedside. Each night I will get a bottle of water, and sometimes I already have water left over. And then I end up having 10 bottles of water. My husband, he be low-key judging me, okay? He don't understand why I always got so many bottles of water by the bed. But look, at least I'm drinking my water. Boom, 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 boom. You better sit down, yeah, just shut your mouth. Cause I don't need a man to make me feel fine. Better sit down, yeah, just shut your mouth. Yeah, you think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress.
Cleaning up my son's room and my master bedroom took about 20 minutes. So now we're moving on to Sydney's room. And I don't film in here too often. For one, oh my gosh, she has the smallest room in the house, which is fine. She's the youngest, but my goodness, getting angles in a small room can be very difficult. Now, as you're seeing this video, her room looks totally different now because we switched everything up, and you'll see it in a future video. So it's kind of funny watching it back now and knowing that I've completely rearranged her room. But Sydney's going to help me tidy up, and then we are going to be heading into the kitchen.
What did you slip me? My heart is racing and I'm getting dizzy. There must be some complicated after effect of this. Will I wake up in your bed and regret everything I did? Like a hangover, but leave me needing one more fix. She said, shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. And I want you now, just shut your mouth and kiss me. It can get lonely, swiping left and right to meet somebody. And they won't get to know me, but that's okay. In retrospect, I do it over and over, cause that's just how we met. There must be some complicated after effect to this. Will I wake up in your bed and regret everything I did? Like a hangover, but leave me needing one more fix. She said, shut your mouth and kiss me. Hey, don't waste your breath, cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you.
Sydney's room didn't take long at all, so now I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to use this method heavy duty degreaser on the stove. You guys know I love this, highly recommend. It really does degrease your stove. It works really well. So I'm going to get the stove a nice little wipe down. I noticed that I was getting comments saying, oh, you haven't been cleaning the stove, because I was going air fryer crazy. I really do use the stove, guys, but some days I don't, and I don't need to clean it.
Cause you know what I'm feeling. Midnight's closing in, and I won't wait for you. Don't think about it twice, we're way past second guessing. Yeah, I'll just close my eyes and kiss you like I mean it. You're a bad dream, but I'm into it now. Yeah, I'll just close my eyes and kiss you in the backseat, on the highway, in the taxi home. Just shut your mouth and kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. The minute that I saw you, I was gone. Ringing from my head into my bones. Baby, got me feeling like a ghost. Damn, it's sunny, should've brought less clothes. I gotta have you one last time, take it off my mind. One last night for a last goodbye. I gotta have you one last time, one last night, one last night for a last goodbye. Man, I feel so damn weak when you text me, you got me. Only I can satisfy. And I don't wanna be at your fingertips so weak, but I sold my heart, so guess it's on me. Be there in 3. Be there in 3.
If you're new to my channel today, I just want to welcome you and say hi. My name is Sean, and I'm a wife and a stay-at-home mom of 2. And on my channel, I post these Power Hour motivational cleaning videos every single week and hopes to inspire you to just get up and get your cleaning done without spending hours and hours each day cleaning. So if you enjoy content like this, I really do hope you'll subscribe and stick around and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. You can leave a comment introducing yourself so we can get to know each other.
One last night, take it off my mind. One last night for a last goodbye. I gotta have you one last time. One last night, one last night for a last goodbye. Man, I feel so damn weak when you text me about needs only I can satisfy. And I don't wanna be at your fingertips so weak, but I sold my heart, so guess it's on me. Be there in three. Be there in three. Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. Where's the fun in doing what you're told?
I noticed that the stainless steel had been getting neglected, and every time I would film an after shot of the kitchen, I would cringe looking at all the fingerprints and stuff. So I had to make time to get this stainless steel clean today. And I'm just using this Winans stainless steel cleaner. It's the best. It's the bomb.com. It just works, okay?
So tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like. So baby, come and take my hand tonight, and know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la.
I wanted to give a quick wipe down to these lower cabinets by the sink because they get the most splatters and spills. So I quickly wiped those down, and now I'm in the dining room and I'm gonna get that all tidied up. As you can see, that trash bag just disappeared just like that. Okay, no, seriously, my husband came and he took care of that for me. So now I'm gonna wipe this table down with my orange glow. You already know, if you are a loyal, I appreciate you guys for always coming back, but I love this orange glow. I would not recommend anything else for your wood furniture.
Till we freak out singing like, singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, till we freak out singing like. I remember when you put a spell on me. It drove me flying crazy. Couldn't see back then what's now in front of me. The disco's long gone, baby. You got me good, yeah, you got me bad. And you're bad as they come, boy. Through all the blue times and the sad, you're still there. So come on and unrock my heart, let it stop. I'm a fool in love for
All right, you guys, we have survived another video. We got through 1 hour of speed cleaning. So satisfying to get to the end and know you did all of that and you only spent 1 hour doing it, okay? So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like if you do, subscribe if you're new, make sure your notification bell is on and set to all so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. I'll see you guys real soon with a brand new video. Bye.
I would never tell, would never fall apart. I throw